Day 2 of Rally Kenya 2023, and what a rally it is shaping up to be. Today's action brings another 6 stages and marks the longest day of the event. It includes the fearsome Sleeping Warrior test, and with heavy rain overnight, wet mud and deep puddles scatter the stages. Back after his day 1 retirement, Thierry Neuville kicked off proceedings, and he struggled as first car on the road.
I don't know if it's the car or the road, but something is wrong, that's for sure. It's very hard to see the road actually. I struggle a lot.
Drama for Elfyn Evans though. The Welshman's Toyota stalled after a water splash and he dropped 45 seconds. Memories of Sardinia came flooding back.
Yeah, a bit I think. I mean, I was very slow and then tried to lift the front, but I don't know.
Fastest through though, despite a puncture, Sébastien Ogier. His lead over Rovanperä now up to 30 seconds.
Yeah, well, for sure, on the last 4Ks we had to go with puncture, but yeah, not too bad. Now we need to change it.
The second stage of the morning loop, and Esa-Pekka Lappi was the man on the move. With Evans' problems, the Finn was now the leading Hyundai up to 3rd overall.
Every stage is very tricky. Anything can happen in every stage. I mean, it's at least for me. I mean, as you discover the stages, you don't really understand. Even it's not so rough place, but if you come to 180 kph, it can get some hits. Yeah, but we try to manage as well as possible.
Just the first test of Sleeping Warrior left to run before midday service, but this is the stage that all the drivers feared. M Sport's Pierre-Louis Loubet got up close and personal with a tree. No damage, but time was dropped, while his teammate Oitanak set the early pace.
It is challenge to get through for sure. Yeah, some places in middle, and yeah, then obviously it was so muddy I ran out of washer fluid, so I had no visibility for the last 20 Ks. So yeah, quite a challenge. So it's normal safari, what it should be.
It was short-lived though. Lappi soon outpaced the Estonian, but even he could not match the sheer speed of world champion Kalle Rovanperä. The Toyota working well in the difficult conditions, he won the stage and closed Ogier's overall lead down to 22 seconds.
We could push a bit more, but for sure Seb is pushing a lot for the win, and in our case we need to think about the championship also. Because the guys behind in the championship are now much more behind than us, so the good points are coming. So for sure I don't see any reason to take any crazy risk, but of course we need to keep going fast and see what happens.
Into the afternoon loop then, and Sébastien Ogier instantly responded to Rovanperä's pre-lunch pace. The Frenchman winning the second run through Soisambu and adding another 6.4 to his rally lead.
Yeah, there is a lot of branches in there, and this one got stuck in there, so no big drama.
Back in the stage, and disaster for Esa-Pekka Lappi. Driveline failure brought his Hyundai to a halt and his day to an end. Stage 12 now, and this time it was Takamoto Katsuta's time to shine. A stage win, 2.3 quicker than Ogier, and the Japanese driver keeping himself right in the fight for 3rd overall.
Yeah, it's gonna be enjoyable, but still I have to stay on the load, and you know, it's gonna be tricky anyway, so it's gonna be enjoyable, but yeah, need to survive.
And that just left Sleeping Warrior to run once again. This time though, the heavens had opened. Treacherous conditions and 0 grip levels. Katsuta struggled and dropped over 15 seconds to Evans. That meant the Welshman lay 3rd overnight, 16.7 seconds clear of Katsuta.
Yeah, like it's super slipping there, to be honest. And of course, when you start coming to the rain patches and it's a bit patchy, you know, some grip, some not. There's only so many of them big slides you have until it's time to calm it down and get it through, you know.
Drama though for Sébastien Ogier. He was 3rd fastest through the stage, but a double front puncture at the end meant his overnight rally lead has been reduced to 16.7 seconds, and he was not a happy man.
Cannot say that I have so much luck with these black and round tires, but that's the way it is.
So it's all to play for as we go into the final day of Rally Kenya 2023. Ogier leads by just over 16 seconds with 6 stages and over 70 kilometres still to run. It is anybody's guess. You simply cannot predict the Safari Rally. But who would you like to see on the top step? Let us know in the comments and we'll be back tomorrow.